deep into something that was good.
That's what she said. All right, today Cody's putting a 373 Ford Racing Posi track gear in his Mustang. This is a 99 anniversary and it already has a traction lock in it. Rebuilding it. This axle's got about 250,000 miles on it, and this car's been stolen before. It's been used by me for years. It's been used by Cody. It has been used and abused and put up wet, hung out to dry. But it's a good car, and we're going to go through it. This is an awesome video. We got a couple cars that come in, and I think you'll enjoy it.
Okay, that's fine. I can work with that.
It is a nice brass bar, dude.
Fuck yeah. Be enough I can get them off.
Yep.
All right, let's move it.
Dude, this is the nicest tool ever, this bar.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy, you can watch that gear just eating into that thing. Somebody been here goofing off because this bolt is almost stripped on the diff. These bearings out. Oh, what we got in here? Look at that view.
Uh-huh.
All right, old slide hammer's doing some work. That bearing's in there. Yeah, boy, that'll wear your hand.
Make it look real easy, bitch. And that's the heavier one.
Ladies work harder than I thought.
Imagine if that was only a 3-pounder. That's what she said.
That's a 5-pound?
Mm-hmm. That's broke.
Nice. Throw that rag in there and
Look
I'll
at that.
shove
What
it in.
is that?
That's a spacer or something.
Hey, that's one of those spacers.
They left the old one in there.
It was sitting right here under the axle the whole time.
So this thing was redone at some point.
It's a 327. It's still factory gear.
Probably had a warranty on a collar or something in there.
Yep.
All
And
right.
I didn't clean the tubes out all the way. There's another piece in there.
So I've owned this car since 2012, and then Cody's had it for the last couple years. And before I owned it, the gentleman from Florida had it, and the rear end was serviced under Ford at some point for a recall. That's all we know. I got this off and we found some old damage. Somebody's been in here before. They've sliced her up a few times. That was not me. And we got a crack over here. Yes.
You still ain't got that fucker off.
No, I'm on the second one. I got the first one off.
Second what?
I gotta pull that bearing. There's one on each side. That's what I'm saying. It's
Excuse the fuck out of me.
yeah.
Sit down in the chair and get precision with it.
Yeah. All right, I got this center chunk tore apart. All the clutches are out. I kept my slide washers there. They're still moving free. Yeah. Let that be my intro.
Watching that without you. So we got rules in my house. Neither one of us are allowed to get too deep into something that was good.
That's what she said.
Oh.
If that thing's good, don't get in it without me. Oh, Cody left. I pulled this axle back out, pulled the chunk, and did all that jazz, and now I've got to the point where it's back in, it's shimmed, it's a little different, and I don't know if I fixed it, but it looks different. I had to pull this spring out of the center again. Absolute nightmare. I got it in by myself. All right, I'll see you on the next one. You'll see me in just a couple seconds.
I didn't. I really didn't. We wasn't even in here.
No, he records stuff that he says he's going to post and he never does.
Hold on, what?
I gotta edit it.
I'm kidding. I don't care if you post it or not. It was dumb, really.
Cody gonna start revving up. I know he's gonna rev it up. I'm trying not to be seen. He's gonna rev it. He has to.
It ain't a Mustang if it ain't off road. Does it have a seatbelt?
My side don't.
There's no.
You'll be all right. We got a Pioneer.
I'd drive the snot out of it though.
It's a fun little beater for sure.
Yeah.
Felt like that tire was gonna fold in half.
That's so awesome. Cody's face there. You know he was like, oh yeah.
We're about to tandem. She's pretty rowdy for what she is though, for real.
Oh yeah, dude. I love the steering ratio to it too. It's perfect. I feel like it's got that old rack in it. Yeah, it's good.
Ain't nothing like an old rack.
That's right, man. Old worn out rack. It'll take what you give it. Yeah, I threw it in second earlier, and I swore I made it in it, but it didn't take it. It was probably me, just being honest.
Granny shifting and not double clutching like you should.
That's right. I hope he was behind me. I don't know if he knows this one. does bog up a little bit. Right there.
Yeah. Like I said, I feel like it's loading up. You can tell it's running ridge.
Yeah. Yeah, it hits just that hair.
But once you give it what it wants, buddy, it takes it.
Yeah. Don't like that. Need spark plugs.
Probably worse. I got a bunch of set screws in.
Dang, dude.